Welcome to the video, guys. Today's post is sponsored by Home Tools earphones that protect your ear when you're making a lot of noise. So it's an unboxing video today, which are always great fun. Let's go. This one is not from Amazon. That's how it's in such good condition. Bouncy, bouncy. I have the camera mounted on my baseboard, so the camera now is probably shaking. It's excitement. You've got to get into the mode, exciting mode of unboxing. Okay, here we go. I'm looking forward to this one immensely. Something I ordered on Black Friday. And I ordered a packet of Haribos. Oh yeah, look forward to eating them. Oh yeah. Okay, that's it, folks. Thanks for. Oh no, sorry. Hold on. It's a box from my friends in Slotcar Union, who I found to be a great supplier for where I am in Europe. And there's some paperwork, indeed. What have we got here today? This is exciting. Very, very exciting. We have, folks, let's push this out of the way. So what have we got? Well, we have a guy here smiling happily. Why is he smiling? I'll tell you why. Because he's got himself a Pioneer Legends. Wow, the Ford Coupe, or Coupe as some people say, Coupe. Look at this car. Oh my God. Okay, let's see, do we, look at this, oh yeah. Folks, look at that. I love cars that are different, and these Pioneer Legends cars, they're different. I love anything quirky. I love the old Minis, Mini Coopers, the classic Minis, in real life and in slot cars. So these are different. I like these. I like the older Formula 1 cars from the 80s, and then the much older Formula 1 cars, the historic cars. But these are really, really cool. And what have we got? Some spare blades. Oh, and some gears. I think we have different pinions. Very interesting. This model is fitted with, let me see, is that focused on that? 12-2 pinion. 11 and a 13 tooth. Oh, that's fantastic. Okay, very good. Very good. Impressed with that. Okay, let's just show you this one. Okay. Now, it was Black Friday, so bear with me. I also have one of my favorite color schemes in the Legends. What do you think that is, guys? Here it comes. Yeah. Gulf color scheme. Absolutely beautiful. Ham-fisted Harry trying to get stuff out of the box. There we go. Look at that. Ay. Chevy. Isn't it amazing? Look at the grille. You know what I mean? The metal, the engine details, the fat tires, I mean, the big wheels, the fire extinguisher. Isn't that a beautiful model? Absolutely fantastic. And these legends are, the body on them is based on the 1930s to 40s old classic the old American cars, the Ford, Chevys and the Dodges. So the actual legends are 5/8 scale cars, and they were ran with Yamaha 1200 and 1250cc engines, the FJ and the XJ engines, and they first started being produced in 1992 by the Harrisburg company in North Carolina. So, and they came into the UK in the late 90s. I remember seeing these on the American TV years ago, and I did the real ones, and I absolutely loved them. Just going to insert a picture here of they're very deceiving. You'd be surprised how small the actual cars are. I'm going to insert a few pictures here of guys standing beside their real Legends cars. So being Black Friday, you got to go for a bargain. There was a nice discount from Slot Car Union. So I have two for racing on my analog 2-lane track, which might become digital, or it may stay as analog. Let's wait and see. I'll also inform you about those decisions later. But anyway, what have we got here? We have a third car. What colour scheme is this, guys? Can you see? Another favourite colour scheme, always from Formula 1. I absolutely love this colour scheme. John Player Special. I don't believe in smoking, but the John Player Special colour scheme is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful colour scheme? Black and gold. Absolutely fantastic. And this car is the Dodge. You'll see slight differences with each car. Yeah, the rear windows, the side windows, the rear windows, the grills. You'll see various differences, you know. So, okay, we need to open one of these. Just to say, these cars can be upgraded for running on scale electrics and for Carrera tracks. With the Carrera, you use the Carson chip, which you can get, and they can be run on the Carrera digital track. You can also get the Paul Gage all-terrain tyres for them. So that's a nice upgrade if anybody wants to change the tyres. And yeah, so that's a great idea. 46 millimeters high, so they're nice and not too tall, but they're tall. They sit a little bit, but it goes with the scale. It's beautiful, isn't it? Oh my lord, look at that. Okay, I'm gonna stick another photograph in. Put a couple of photographs in of again the real cars back in the 30s. What these are based on. So that's the JPS out of the box. Let's do the magnet test, folks. Well, the magnet doesn't stop it rolling forward, which is good. Let's do the magnet test. There we are, level, okay? Well, there we are, level with the camera, but that's level in real life. Okay, let's go. Oh. There we are. Can we invert it completely? Yes, we can. Let me see. So there we are, inverted completely. Let's see. Let's bring this camera back a bit and we'll show you. Okay. Harry, you're damaging your car already. Crazy guy. Actually, look, it's going to get a lot of play. But anyway, there you go. There's strong magnet. Strong magnet. And completely inverted. Okay. So let's get rid of that magnet. That's the magnet test. I'm going to open this car. Okay. Let me get you a bit, zoom in a bit on this. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3 screws. Okay, let's open these screws very quickly. Put your box underneath. Not open enough yet. Let's go. Let's go. I don't want this to go on for too long. 1 screw. 2 screws. 3 screws. There we go. Now your bumper falls out when you open that, because the slot's in into those two pegs there. The front bumper slots in there. Okay, folks. There's the interior of the car from underneath. How it's all put together. You gotta love these engines. I mean, I love that. Look at those header pipes. Amazing. So, if you have headers on that side, you're gonna have your air filters on this side. It's K&N style air filters. Oh, I love that. That's beautiful. Okay, folks. So here we go. Here's what's inside. They're pretty minimalistic because we don't have the chip in it. And there's your magnet. That's your magnet there. Now, I have heard through the guys on the YouTube forums, through the guys on the YouTube chats, that their guide blades are the only one of the weaknesses. They're not great. They're a bit wobbly and a bit moving around. I know I watched one of the guys who said stick a grub screw in there and open that up a little bit, and it helps everything to be a little bit less movement. So that's something I'll investigate. I'll investigate that. Just to show you underneath, there's a hatch here for connecting your chip. You open that and you have your chip connected, you know. There's your motor. And the motor in this car, the motors that run these are 18,000 RPM, 18k RPM motors. There's the details there. Typhoon motor. Okay. Let's see if we focus on that. There we go. So, this looks like it's a bit easier, possibly, to get out. I could be wrong. Okay. So this looks like it'd be quite easy to get out. Screwdriver in here. Okay. Open this up a bit. And that's ready to come out. It's a bit easier than the Carrera front magnets. Now, yeah, there's only one magnet in that motor, in that car. Let me just check. Yeah, definitely only one magnet. Now, without the magnet, it's quite light, so you know you could put a bit of weight. There's plenty of places here to put. For me, possibly blue tack, or maybe later some tungsten or some lead. There's a spot there. So I think people usually use a sort of a 60-40 ratio to, 60 one piece, 40 the other, here and here, and then experiment after that. So that's something I'll do. I'll experiment and see how it runs with the weight out, with the magnet out, and see what I can do. Maybe someday I'll get extra tires again. That's extra expense, but let's see how it all runs. So that's it, guys. That's my review. Let me pop that body on again. Without the bumper. That's a work of art. They are beautiful cars. I'm so happy I got these, and I think I'll be getting more. And I'm not going to chip them. I can't afford to be buying chips, but they'll definitely be running on my analog track. 100%. Absolutely. Love these. Okay, I'll be able to show you one of these running around the track when I get the track. And the good news then is Amazon have finally sent my set. It's on the way. So hopefully it'll be here early next week. So I'll be able to start getting a track set up. Okay guys, there we go. Thanks for watching. Always appreciate any subscribers, any likes, any comments, welcome. And that was my Black Friday deal for this year. So thank you for Slot Car Union in France for sending me the Haribo sweets. Oh yeah, and a few slot cars as well. Oops, forgot about the slot cars. Great stuff. All the best. Greetings from Latvia, Harry.